Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of my channel. I am Kishalay. Hope you all are doing well. So in this video I am going to share a news about an exciting datathon for all of you ML research enthusiasts in India. So if you are working in ML and if you are interested to do work in ML in the future, so this datathon will be an exciting opportunity for you to participate, to have an idea that how the different ML model works, or how you will handle different big data systems and win some exciting prize. So this datathon is happening as a part of IndoML Symposium. So this is an Indian machine learning symposium that is being organized by professors and researchers from IITs and different research labs, and it's happening every year. And this year is the third year of this symposium, and this year it will be hosted by IIT Gandhinagar between 15 to 17 December 2022. And the goal of this symposium to set up a forum to discuss about the state of the machine learning models and architectures by bringing different researchers around the world through different invited talks. Now, in conjunction with this symposium, one datathon will be happening, and in this video I am going to share the detail of the datathon. I mean, what are the tasks that you need to solve, how to apply for the datathon, what will be the team strength, I mean how many people you can form a team, how the model will be evaluated, what are the different timelines, and finally what is the incentive, what are the prizes that you will be getting if you win this datathon. So everything I am going to discuss in this video, so please do watch the video till end if you want to know everything about this datathon. And before starting the video, as I always say, if you are new to this particular channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications regularly. Without further ado, let's get started into today's video. Now, first of all, what is the datathon is all about? So as I was saying, this is the third version of IndoML Symposium series, and like previous couple of years, this year also one datathon will be happening along with this symposium. And this year the goal is to attract junior ML enthusiasts like the MTech students, PhD student, or if someone has just joined the industry and at his very early stage of your career as data scientist, to bring those students together to give them a flavor of machine learning and data mining by participating in this competition. So if you are someone who is currently a MTech student or PhD student or have just joined industry as a data scientist, then you must participate in this competition, because this is a great opportunity for you to learn about machine learning model and how to train them and how to evaluate them and how to design them end to end. So why you should participate in this datathon? So if you are an ML enthusiast and want to be a data scientist in future, and if you are at your very early stage of career, then you must participate in this datathon, because you will get some advantages in your future life if you join in this datathon. First of all, if you join in this datathon, you will have an idea to build a machine learning model end to end. So if you will have a flavor of how to deal with a large scale image data set, then you will get an idea that how to build a machine learning model end to end, the architecture and training and everything. And finally you have to evaluate your model on a test data set. So from end to end you will have an idea that how to deal with a machine learning problem and build a model. And also to get an edge in this competition, you have to bring some novelty in your model, and you have to beat all the baseline model. So by doing that, you will have an idea that how to bring new ideas into your existing problem and beat the baseline model, and that will be your first step into the ML research. The second advantage that you will be getting is that if you win this competition, or if you win this datathon, then you will be invited to IndoML Symposium at IIT Gandhinagar in December, and where you can present your work in front of all the eminent researchers who will be there, and you can discuss with them about your machine learning model, about different other problems, and you can build your peer group and network that will be helpful for you in the future life. And finally, the remuneration of winning this datathon is really attractive. So you can win up to 1 lakh rupees if you win this competition. Now let's discuss detail about this datathon. So first of all, this datathon will be happening in Kaggle, and the link is given in the website. Now coming to the tasks. So the task that you need to solve is a simple image classification task, where you will be given a set of grayscale images of documents, and you need to classify their class or category. So these documents they can belong to 16 different classes like letter, invoices, emails, etc. And given a grayscale image of a document, you have to predict which class it belongs to. So there is a data set that is given to you which contains 16,000 images, so 1,000 images per class, and you have to use for training your model. So you have to build an image classification model which, given these images, can predict its classes. So all the details is given in the website, which I will be iterate within few minutes. Now, in the Kaggle website, after few months, the test set, one test set will be given with which you can evaluate your model, that how good it is performing on an unseen data set. And at the end of the competition, so there will be a different test set or different held out set that is kept by the organizer. So that set will be used for the evaluating your model. So please keep in mind that you will be given some test set after few months, but that is not the set that this organizer will be using for evaluating your model. So they have kept a different data set that is already there with them, that will be using for evaluating your model. Now regarding competition guidelines, so the team you can form, it can have maximum 3 members, and in each team there must be one person who is from India, that means who is either from an Indian university or currently working in different Indian industries or research lab. And there is a Google form that is up through which you can register for this competition. Now coming to how your performance will be evaluated, so each team has to submit their source code, implementation detail of their model, and a one-page report detailing about how they have come out with the solution. So you have to write detail about the model. If you have done some pre-processing of the data set, everything you have to write in that one-page report, and the format of the report is given in the website. You can go and check it out. Now once you submit your model, all the submitted model will be evaluated based on the private or held out set that is there with the organizer, and they will make it public after the competition will be end. And your model will be evaluated, or your performance will be evaluated based on the model you have submitted, its performance, the novelty that you have brought in your in your model, or if there are any new findings that you are proposing from this problem statement and from the data set. Based on everything, your performance will be evaluated. The final decision of the winners will be taken by the judges of IndoML 2022, and you can win different prizes in different categories. And as I was saying, if the selected teams or the winning teams, they will get an opportunity to visit IndoML 2022 symposium, attend the symposium, present their work, and talk and interact with different other researchers and faculty members of IITs or in the foreign universities, and discuss with them about different problems and build their network. Yeah, that's about the basic details of this datathon. Now we'll go to the web page and navigate you through the web page so that you will have a detailed idea about this datathon. So the first thing that you need to do is to search for IndoML 2022, and the first link that you'll be getting is the website for IndoML 2022. I'll be giving the link in the description. From there also you can visit the website. Now in this website you will get all the list of all the speakers who will be coming to this symposium in December. And as you can see, we have speakers from different corners of the world. And then there is a tutorial from Amazon, and these are the organizing committee. So as you can see, there are professors from IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Kharagpur, TCS Research, Google Research, and so on and so forth. And these are the sponsors. Now if you go to the Datathon tab, so this is the page for the Datathon. And as you can see, they invite participants from the students as well as early career professionals. So if you are a student like MTech student or PhD student, or if you just started your career as a data scientist in different industries, then you can participate in this datathon and you can win up to 1 lakh rupees prize. And selected teams also will be invited to IndoML 2022 to present their solution to the leading machine learning researchers around the world, both from the industry and academia. The registration link is up, so if you click here, so it will redirect you to a Google form. By filling up this form, you can register for your team, and there is a Google group. And if I'll request you to join this Google group if you are participating in this datathon, so that you will get all the announcement, and if you have any questions also you can ask there, and the organizing committee will be replying that. And the task is, as I was saying, it's an image classification task where you will be given a set of grayscale images, document images like this, and you have to classify these images into one of the 16 classes of document types. So suppose this is a letter type document, this is the email type document. So you will be given a image, and your model has to predict that which of this 16 class, one of the 16 class that particular image belongs to. And yeah, the you know, a small example of all the 16 classes is given in here. And they will provide you a training data set which consists of 16,000 images with 1,000 images belonging to each class. And you have to start building your model with this training set, and this has been collected from this, you know, popular data set called RVL CDIP. So the link of the paper is given at the end. So from this paper they have taken the data set and they have taken a subset of data as to form this training data set. And after few days they will be given you a test data sets once your model will be developed, so that you know you can test your model on the test data set. But remember, this test data set is not the data set that they will use to evaluate your model. So once the competition will be up or competition is over, so they will use a private data set to evaluate your model. And please remember that data set is not taken from this data set. So from this data set they have curated only the training and test data set that they will give you while the competition is going on. And after competition is over, they have a special data set that they have curated, the organizers have curated by their own, that will be used to, you know, evaluate your model. So please keep this into your mind. Now about the timeline. So the Datathon already has started on 10th August, and the first Q&A session or ask me anything session was about to happen today on 19th August, but it has got postponed. So it will be happening maybe in the next week sometime. So once there will be a lot of participants in the competition, then the organizer will having the first ask me anything session or Q&A session. The second session will be happening on 16th September. And the deadline of this Datathon is on 7th October, and code and the short report you have to submit. Then on 5th November the top 10 teams will be announced from the IndoML team. And on 15 to 17 December, those top 10 team will get an opportunity to visit the symposium, and at the final day of this symposium the winner will be announced and the prize will be distributed. And Datathon will be happening again. I told you that this is happening in Kaggle. The link of the competition page is given here, and the evaluation criteria, competition guideline, whatever I have told you, that is mentioned here. You can go and read it out. And about the report and the template, that is given here. And yeah, that's it about this Datathon. So I'll request all of you to participate in this Datathon, and before that please go through this page, read everything again. I'll be giving the link in the description. You can go through the page and then register for the Datathon. Yeah, that's it about this exciting Datathon that is happening along with IndoML. And I request all of you who are currently a MTech student or PhD student, or if you have just joined the industry, please participate in this Datathon, because this is a huge opportunity for you, to learn how to build a model end to end. And if you win this competition, you have a added bonus. I mean, you can visit this symposium where you will get an opportunity to attend different talks. You will have an opportunity to interact with these eminent researchers around the world, and obviously you can win exciting prizes. So please do share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they also get to know about it. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and let me know if you have any concern in the comments, so that I can give you the responses, or you can ask the question in the Google group also. There the other organizers can respond to your question. And if you are new to this particular channel, again I am saying, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications regularly. More videos on this symposium and the Datathon will be coming in the channel, so please stay tuned. That's it about this video. I'll be meeting in the next video. Until then, bye.